Are we recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the lights on.
Okay, this is experiment 1735 tag A. My colleague and I are about to refresh the ferromagnetic material and then engage the sequence.
Ooh, it's cold.
Hot.
Let's go.
Let's test the material.
Surprise!
Hey Marty!
Hey, Marty.
Just making sure you boys ain't playing grab ass in here. Two things. You boys better wow me with that super magnet, or our military contracts in the crapper. Now that I'm vice president, I really need you boys to make me look good out there. Two, it's my granddaughter's surprise birthday party today. It's gonna be a small thing, nothing too big, but I really want you guys to be there.
Okay Marty, we'll be there.
Sure thing, Marty. See you later, Mr. Vice President.
Yeah, we'll see you later, sir. Ferromagnetic material.
Check.
Electronic configuration.
Ready to go.
What's the ion spectrum reading at?
8 hertz.
8 hertz, is that safe?
Absolutely.
Let's begin.
Do you think this prototype's gonna work?
Yes. I mean, I hope so.
What happened?
I don't know, I have to check the ion spectrometer.
Shouldn't the backup power be kicking in soon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna go check the
Yeah. What? Oh, our belts are magnetized.
What do you mean? What do you mean our belts are magnetized? How did this happen?
It'll wear off soon.
What do you mean it's gonna wear? It's not gonna wear
It
off.
can't last that long. I mean, it's just it's a freak thing that happens.
We'll take off our pants. That's all we'll do.
All right.
Belts are jammed.
We gotta go though. I mean, the birthday party's in 15 minutes.
We can't go like
go.
this.
Come on.
We can't go like this. We can't go like this.
We're scientists, goddammit. Why can't we figure this out?
Come get her back. You get her hand. Tag. Tag her again. Get Aaron. Tag. What? Tag. Fire.
Dude, I don't feel good about this.
It's not wearing off. We're just gonna have to blend in.
If we don't make it a big deal, it's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
This way?
Gentlemen, can I help you?
Hey, hi.
Hey, you must be Marty's daughter.
Follow me.
This round back. Hey, you have any food back, or is it? We didn't bring anything.
Ready, and then she said, those aren't my socks. Those are his.
Dad, my daughter is 5 minutes away. Get those 2 fruits out of here.
So I was backpacking across Europe for about a year and a half, and it really opened my eyes to a lot of different things.
All right, here's what's gonna happen. I want $10,000 in unmarked bills. I want them in a brown paper bag, and I want a boat. I want a boat at the West Mason Pier Marina at midnight tonight, or I'm gonna blow this little girl's fucking brains all over the pavement. I'm a Leo.
The balloons.
What?
Static charge.
Should reverse the polarity of the magnets.
I'm only second in command. Why don't you, kidnap Henry's granddaughter? Come on. Well, boys, you did it again. I'm gonna get the Pentagon on the phone right now.
Who wants cake?
I had that dream again that we weren't conjoined twins.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
You to carry the water.